Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. So this is a new type of video. I have never done this before, but I got a request for this video, so I'm going to show you my makeup collection and pretty much how I have my vanity set up, because my makeup collection is all in my vanity, so you'll see it in the video. But make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click the bell right down below so you're notified of all my future uploads. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you all of the makeup products I have, skincare products I have. Well, not all of them, just like how it's laid out in my vanity. So yeah, it's a fun little video and showing you all my stuff. So this is my vanity setup. You can see very small, right next to my bed, but I have the Alex 5 drawers and then the top. So they didn't have the white top at the time, so I just got the beige one, but I'm going to get the Alex desk and just put that topper, so it's like essentially this size drawer in two of them. So I'm going to do that on top of my little dog's bed. So those are that. So over here I have, these are a lot of the eyeshadow and highlighter palettes that I like and I really use, or like some newer stuff that I wanted to try out. And then I have my face brushes all right here, all my sponges. So I got these just from like TJ Maxx. My eye brushes and highlighter brushes I put all in here. My Tati Beauty Blendables. Some of the go-to products you saw in my last video, you saw I just tested these out, so I'm trying to figure out where in my drawers to put them. I'm running out of space. Like I said, I'm gonna get those other drawers. And then some other stuff I've been loving. This Tarte cream contour, and then I use the brush with it. And then some other stuff I use all the time. I put this, attached this with just a Velcro so that I have some plugs for my camera recording equipment. Then have extra batteries and USBs on here if I need it. And then this is where I get ready in the morning as well. So I have my hairbrush. I've been loving this that I got in my BoxyCharm. If you saw that, this is one of the products I really did like. It's from Sugar Rush, and it's just a lip balm. And oh my goodness, I'm dropping everything. These new Lunar Beauty glosses that I love. This is a skin tool. So if you would like to see like an updated skincare video, let me know and I'll show you this tool that I've been loving to use. And then I have this nice, it's all in one. It's got all these little shelves. This is a lot of my hair stuff I use. And then this is just like everyday skincare products I really like to use, all in there. Next up, we're gonna move to the drawers. Oh, I also have this mirror hanging that I use for filming videos because it's just, it's a nice big mirror. Just use it. So we're gonna go into the drawers. Okay, so the first drawer right here is all my mascaras and my liquid eyeshadows. And this is my eyeliners, my eyeshadow bases. So these are my favorite bases to use. These are the P. Louise base that you can get off of Morphe's website or P. Louise website. And then this is pretty much the only thing I've been using for my brows, just because I have naturally good brows. This is the ColourPop Clear Brow Gel. Back here, you can't really see, I have a bunch of lashes back in there and all the stuff for lashes. And then I have nail stuff, these little things for your hair, tweezers, and all that there. And the next drawer, so this is a drawer of my stuff that I haven't tried or upcoming videos that I want to do, and all those products to try out new products. So if you see anything in this drawer that you're like, ooh, I want to see a video right away, just let me know. This drawer is oh my goodness, if it will open, is all my hair tools. So eventually I might take these out and put them in like some other things. So this is mostly makeup, but my Dyson hairdryer. I love this hairdryer. It makes my hair so smooth. It's not damaging. And then I have a curling wand, straightener, different hair things, my pony O's. I love these. They're so pretty. So that's that. Next up is my skincare drawer. So some of these are like tools that I haven't ever used. Just like skincare products, extra heads for my towel, cleansing brush, and just a whole bunch of different masks or anything I can use for skincare. And this is kind of a mishmash drawer. So I keep my tripod for filming in here, as well as stuff to do waxing. So I wax my own eyebrows, I wax my husband's eyebrows, and all that in here. Sunscreen. I think this is tanning oil. Yeah, so tanning oil, so just a mishmash of stuff. So we're gonna move over to the other set of drawers. So this top drawer kind of has, you can see it has a bunch of different stuff. So this top drawer is products I use all the time. I really like, and some of the eyeshadow palettes that are too small to fit into my big eyeshadow thing on top. So over here is bronzers and cream contours. Here's highlighters. Under here is some eyeshadow palettes. So these are blushes, and then I have face palettes. And then back here I have a whole bunch of setting powders and some primers that I really like to use. So the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer is the go-to one, and any of the blushes that I really like. These have to be at an angle for it to shut. And then next up, this drawer has foundations all right here and kind of mixed in. These are some primers, more primers back here, concealer. These are darker concealers to contour with, if you can see. Can't really see into the drawer. And then some white concealer to do like eyeshadow base before I got my Pee-wees. And then some other setting powders back here. And then this drawer is like a bunch of stuff. So I have lip balms. These are like go-to lip balms for me. I have so many of them. Liquid lipsticks, any lip product. And then I have a lot of highlighter palettes, different palettes up here. These are all highlighters in this section, bronzers, and this blushes are towards the back. It's like a 3 thing. Let's see if we can fix this a tiny bit. So you can see like back in here, it's blushes, and then I have these little liquid highlighters from Morphe that are really pretty, and some more blushes. And this final drawer, or not the final, this drawer is eyeshadow palettes. So ones that are really small, so like all of these ColourPop ones, and Huda Beauty Sessions, and Lauralee Los Angeles, her Sleigh Bell one. Some setting sprays. These are ones that I don't use all the time. More eyeshadow, face palettes, all that in here that I just don't reach for as much. I love them colors still, but I don't reach for them as much as the ones on top, or they're just too small to fit anywhere else. And then this final drawer is all of my extras of products that I get. So any extra products. So I have extra Blendifuls, because this is my favorite product to use to apply makeup. These Briogeo hair leave-in conditioners. These are my favorite ones. So I have like 3 more of these left. And just any product, skincare products I have multiples of. or hair, eyeliners, more MAC Fix Plus, anything like that. I just have my drawer of extra products. So that is my whole makeup collection and my vanity setup. I hope you liked it. If you saw any of the products in the video that you would like me to test out, then just leave a comment down below. I also have a bin that just sits somewhere, it's in my closet just because there's not room, of products that I have collected to do like a giveaway and all that. So look forward to giveaways coming up because I'm starting to get that bin full and need to do a giveaway to get rid of this stuff. So just make sure you check out my Instagram. It's m.hartman5. If you liked this video, make sure you subscribe and watch other videos, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!